Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I will tell you that how to book Qatar Airlines from Islamabad to Dammam via Doha with 3 hours stay at Doha. First of all, select your desired city and your date. Then click on the search tab. Here you can see different fare on Sabre. The minimum fare which is on top of the list. Here you can see the detail of your ticket, time, venue and the stay duration at Doha. You can see here the stay duration as well as the time and date of your flight with fare on Sabre. Here you can see the detail of your baggage allowance. You can add different baggage allowance with a different fare. I have selected with the baggage. Here again you can see the detail of your flight from Islamabad to Doha on the prescribed time and date, and again from Doha to Dammam, as well as the detail of your ticket, date and time. Now you can click on the next tab. Here you can put the detail of your passenger according to the passport record. First name, last name, date of birth, passport expiry date and passport number, as well as issuing country of your ticket according to the passport record. Then click on the next tab. Here you can put your passport information. Click on the next tab here. In the next window you can pay your ticket. Here again check your detail, then click on the pay option here. Now you have paid your ticket successfully. You can check your ticket here. Here you can see your paid ticket, and again you can check the detail of your ticket as well as date and time of your ticket. Now you can print your ticket. Click on the print option. Here you have the detail of your ticket that you have paid successfully. Now you can take print of your ticket. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly share the video, press the bell icon and like the video. Thank you for watching.